So first of all, click on your Play Store, type MetaTrader 5 application. I'll just type MT5. So click on install. So after installing, just click open. So first of all, when you're opening your account, it will automatically open a demo account for you. As you can see, open a demo account, please wait. So I'm just going to click on accept. Open a demo account. So this is like the process of opening demo account. So guys, once you open your MetaTrader 5 application, this is the first interface you're going to see. Okay, this interface, they are called quotes. You can see. So first of all, if you have a trading account and you want to log in, this is where you go. But you can start trading, you can start practicing that. If you don't want to start trading your live account, you can start trading instantly. But if you want to log in your trading account, your live trading account, your broker account, just come and click on this three dash up here, quote. So you're going to see all this right here. Then click on manage account. So once you click on manage account, this is what is good you're going to see. This is the demo account that the MetaTrader 5 application automatically opened for me. Okay, so let me say if I want to add my broker account or any broker account. So this is what I do. Just come and click on this plus icon. As for me, I use Xness broker. So I am just going to type Xness broker here. So Xnext technology, as you can see, this is my Xnext technology. So I'm just going to click on it. So it will bring me to this interface. This is login, password, server. So for your broker, you can just come in and type in your login detail, password, and that's all. Just click on login. Click on your server also, click on login. If you don't know how to open a broker account, especially Xness, if you want to open the Xness, I have a video on my channel. Just go to my channel and watch the video. It's a step-by-step tutorial on how to open a live trading account in which you can trade with your money. I'll also drop the link in the description of this video. After watching this video, just go there and watch how to create your broker account. So in this video, I'm not going to log into any of my live account. I just want to show you how to use this MetaTrader 5 application. I am going to click back. So guys, back to my quote. This is the first interface you see. And if you want to add any currency pair, if you want to add any forex pairs or any metals or any index, anything that you want to add to the chart that is not here. Let's say for instance now, I want to trade gold right here. I'm looking for gold chart, but it seems I can't find any gold chart here. So what I have to do is for me to just come to this plus icon here. If you want to add, click on it. So you see forex, you see metals, you see index. Okay, if you click on forex, you see all the forex pairs. Okay, then if you click on metals, you see all the metals right here. So this is gold, this is all the metals. So my favorite way of finding pairs is just for you to come here and type it. I don't have to go through all this before I add it. Just come here and type it. Okay, let me type XAU USD. As you can see, this is XAU USD. Just click on it and go back. So as you can see, I just added XAU USD to my chart. So if you want to open on the chart, just click on it. So you see new order. New order is if you want to place order immediately. Then chart, first of all, you want to see the chart first. So click on chart. So this section right now, I'm going to teach you how to change your time frame, how to add indicators to your chart, how to place your first trade, and how to use tools that are actually inside this MetaTrader 5 application. This is an updated version, and I'm going to be giving you some other additional features to help you maximize your trading. So guys, once you tap on the screen, you're going to see 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, monthly. As you can see right now, it's currently on 1 hour time frame. If you click on 15 minutes, you can see the chart has already changed to 15 minutes. Okay, if you click on 1 hour, chart has already changed to 1 hour. And this right here is if you want to add indicators to your chart. This is if you want to know the precise number where you want to put your stop loss or take profit. Let me say for instance, now if I click on it, you can see you can drag it. Let's say you want to put your stop loss here, so you know the exact place in which the price is at. So let's go back. If you want to remove it, all you need to do is come and tap up here and to remove. So guys, this is the setting button. Then when you come to the setting button, you can decide to change the candlestick, to customize everything. Want to change the colors of the candlestick, you can change the background to black. You can also change those candlestick to any color you like. Okay, so this one is like the tools in which you use like trend line, right? So let me click on it now. So you can see the tools, straight line, trend line, and horizontal line. So let me click on this trend line. Let's say you want to draw trend line, put it somewhere like this and draw the trend line. So if market break this trend line, you will enter your trade, something like that. You have an idea of what I'm saying, okay? So guys, and also this time frame that is here, 1 hour, is also here. You can actually like change the time frame here, or you can change it from here, okay? This is also if you want to add indicators to your chart. This is it. Click on this place, then click on this plus F button, then look for any indicators you want to add. Let me say I want to add stochastic oscillator, okay? Click on save. You can see it has already been added. So if I go to my chart right now, you can see stochastic oscillator is already added. You sell from the high and you buy from the low. That's how stochastic oscillator works. So let's say I want to remove this indicator right now. All you have to do again is to just come here, then click on the indicator icon, then click on delete, then mark it and delete. You can see your chart is free right now. The next step we are going to look after right now is how to place your first trade. So guys, as you can see, there's a sell button here and there's a buy button up here. If you want to buy or if you want to sell, you can just click either the sell button or this buy icon right here. So I want to say I want to sell this pair right now. I'm going to click on this sell. As you can see, they will not just allow you to sell immediately. They will tell you that you're about to activate one click trading mode. So that one click trading mode is kind of risky in a way, so that they're just telling you that it's risky in the sense that you have to be really careful how you press your screen, your phone screen, so that you don't go and place the trade when you don't want to place the trade. Okay, so if I click on I accept, so I can now use this sell and buy icon. So let me click on sell. You can see I've already sell this stuff right now, this euro USD. I click on sell again. I've already sold it. So if I want to see my trade, I want to see the trade I just sold right now, I'll just come and click on trade. You will see your trade right now. As you can see, this is the two trades I just placed right now. So if you want to like put your take profit and your stop loss, all you have to do is to just click and hold, then click on modify position. You can see this is your sell loss and this is your take profit. So this is like a manual way in which you can input this stop loss and take profit. So let's say I want to put stop loss somewhere here, that is 1.07285. I will now come here, click on modify 1.07285. Now click on modify. As you guys can see right now, this is my stop loss. So whenever this candlestick move up to this place, the chart is going to close automatically and I'm going to go home with a minimal loss. That is what we call stop loss. The same thing applies to take profit. Okay, let's say I want to put my take profit here. All I need to do is to modify it, then go to the take profit bar and put this number right here, maybe 1.06700. So when the chart drops up to this side, I'm going to close my trade and I will be in profit. Okay, I'm not always going to be watching the chart. This application is going to do everything for you. All you have to do is to just give in the order. So let's say you want to put your take profit or sell loss and you don't want to do it manually, you want to do it automatically. All you have to do is to just click on the line of the trade, then come here. I want to put take profit. I'll click on TP. So I have to drag it down. Let's say I want to put it right here. Okay, I want my take profit to be right here. So I'm going to click on this arrow here. Then I'll click on modify. Guys, as you can see, this is my take profit. So once the price come to here, it's going to close. So I will do the same thing for this one also. Put it same place, then click on done. So if you want to do your stop loss, the same thing applies to stop loss. You click on SL right now. Now drag the stop loss to where you want it to be. Then you click on modify. Done. So guys, once the price come to this take profit, your trade are going to close and you're going to take your profit. And if it comes to this side, the trade are going to close. When you click on trade, this is another interface that you can use to place your first trade. So click on this plus icon at the top here, then this interface will pop up. So guys, if you come up here, this is sell loss, this is take profit. Okay, this is, if you click on up here right now, you're going to see instant execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, sell stop limit. So all this stuff I explain in details on my YouTube channel on how you can actually maximize and use all this stuff. If you want to learn how this thing works, go and watch this video right here. Okay, watch this video and it's going to explain it, because I want this particular video to be very short. That's why I'm not explaining all this right now. So this is instant execution. This is the one that is most popular. I use it, a lot of people use it. Okay, but to maximize profit, if you're busy and stuff, you can look into all this. So instant execution, and if you come right here, this is lot size. I am going to be making a video in future on how this lot size and everything works. So if you don't understand lot size, subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I'm going to be dropping a video in 2 weeks time explaining about all these minor things. You can also buy and sell from down here. Right now, this is Euro USD. If I want to close this trade, all you have to do is to just tap on it. As you can see, close position right here. If I click on close position, this my particular trade will close. But if I want to close all position, let's say I have up to 10 or 20 positions open, I will have to click on bulk operation. So on this bulk operation, you're going to see close all position, close profitable position, close sell positions. You're going to see all this. You're just going to click on the one that suits your trading at the moment. As for me, I don't have much position right now. I'm just going to click on close position. So guys, I've already closed my position. If I go to history, you can see this position that I closed right now. This is like I made 0.08 cents. This is like the position I just closed. Now this is where you see your history of previous trade you took. So if you come here, you can customize it and click on last week, last month, last 3 months. You can custom the period. Back to this interface, this is balance right here. This is going to show you your actual balance, what you have on your account before you enter the trade. And this equity is going to show you what you have on your account plus your running trade. What you have on your account plus your running trade, that is equity. The margin is like the money your broker allowed you to place one trade. This is like the margin is like the money your broker allowed you to use and place the trade. If this margin exceeds 10,000, that's where you hear something like margin call. All your trades are going to close. So this free margin is like the remaining margin, the remaining amount of money in which you can use this other trade. As you can see, I'm just using about $8.56 and I still have 9,992.21 pounds right here. Thanks for watching. Make sure to join my Telegram group. The link is in the description below so that you can get market updates. And also like this video, subscribe and share it to your friends or people that want to learn how to use this application.